In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up the Instagram, Facebook, InstaShop app on your platform. Now, this can be a fantastic way to boost your online presence and connect with a larger audience through Instagram. So, let's get started by visiting the homepage of your platform. Once you're there, we need to head over to the Apps section. This is where all the magic happens. In the search bar, you're going to type in Instagram. This will help us navigate directly to the relevant options without any distractions. Now, once you've typed in Instagram Stimas, a list of applications that integrate with Instagram should pop up. We are particularly interested in one called Instagram Facebook InstaShop. This app serves as a bridge between your business and potential customers who are scrolling through Instagram, helping to showcase your products in an intuitive and visually appealing manner. You'll want to click on it, and once you do, you'll see an option to install. Go ahead and click Install. At this point, the platform is going to ask for confirmation, so there will be a secondary prompt urging you to confirm the installation now. This is a standard procedure, just ensuring that you truly intend to download it. Click Install again, and with that, we're officially taking steps towards integrating your business with Instagram. After the installation phase, you're presented with a choice of plans. If this is your first time using the application, it might be beneficial to activate a free trial. A free trial will allow you to explore all the features and see if this tool meets your business needs without any immediate financial commitment. However, if you've already decided on a specific plan that matches your business strategy better, feel free to select that instead. Each plan usually offers different levels of access and features, so weigh these options carefully in terms of what best suits your business objectives and budget. With your plan selected or free trial activated, the next step involves connecting your social media account. The purpose here is to link your Instagram account with the newly installed app so they can work seamlessly together. The app will likely prompt you for permission to access certain aspects of your Instagram account, such as posting on your behalf or accessing your media. These permissions are necessary for the integration, so make sure to grant them. In summary, you've successfully set up your Instagram Facebook InstaShop and linked it to your social account. This setup will allow you to enhance your marketing efforts on Instagram, giving your online store visibility to a broader audience and ultimately driving more traffic and potential sales. Keep exploring the features, stay creative with your product showcases, and watch your business grow. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!